Yes, I represented Karnataka and I'm Ramya Abhijit.
And what was the dance about?
It was the dance about in Karnataka. I represented Devi to Daiva, so from the god to the demigods, everything is in Karnataka.
Did you like dancing?
Yeah, I really.
Where is your mask?
It's over here.
What does the mask represent?
Daiva. Yeah, Daiva. Daiva. A Daiva.
Deva? Very nice. Beautiful. It was an outstanding performance, and you are the ones who got standing ovation from the entire public. Namaskar and good evening. It's a beautiful evening because we have a multicultural celebration going on at India Community Center in Milpitas, hosted by none other than Consul General of India in San Francisco, Dr. Shrikar Reddy, and the First Lady, Mrs. Pratima Reddy. Welcome to Yo India TV with me, Jasleen. It's a wonderful evening. People are rejoicing, displaying the diversity that India has, and particularly that India is having this kind of a cultural showcase in Silicon Valley. Tell us a little more about this event.
First of all, my namaskar to all the viewers of the Yo India TV. Today at ICC Milpitas, we have celebrated the State Formation Day of 10 Indian states which were created in the month of November. So these states include Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Punjab and Haryana. And also today, 5 union territories were also created in the month of November, which are Chandigarh, Delhi, Puducherry, Lakshadweep and also Andaman and Nicobar. So this is to showcase the unity and diversity of India. Each state in India has its own unique culture, tradition, history, and also each state is competing with each other to develop economically. So we are calling it a competitive federalism. So here there are various diaspora organizations which belong to each state. So they came together, they displayed their artifacts and also other products at the booths which were given to them. And also each state, they showcased their wonderful cultural performance. Highly energetic, all the participants were very happy because it was a unique opportunity to showcase each state's culture and also the strengths. This is to promote the understanding among the Indian diaspora regarding other parts of India and also to promote tourism, because when the cultural performances were performed, so all the tourist attractions were displayed on the screen. So we hope that somebody coming from say Haryana, he would visit say Tamil Nadu when he visits India next time. So we want to showcase unity and diversity, also strengthen the overall unity among the Indian diaspora in the Bay Area, and also showcase our rich culture and heritage to the overall the larger American society in the Bay Area. Thank you.
That is very well put, and we are experiencing that energy, those vibes, and that vibrant beauty that India is showcasing as a motherland of so many different cultures.
What a wonderful performance that was. Let's give a big hand.
So ma'am, what's your take on the overall scenario?
Thank you for Yo TV, but I really loved it today. We are celebrating the State Formation Days in November, and it is a great participation. I have seen the cultural programs were amazing, and we hope to do such days, such celebrations much more in future. Thank you.
So everybody loves to hear from you, and you are so dynamic, and you are connecting with the communities so beautifully. You are weaving that thread of unity, and truly representing India in Silicon Valley and in USA. So having been to so many events, having met with so many people of different cadres, what's your overall feel on on the Consulate General's contribution in Silicon Valley?
See, the Indian diaspora are a pillar of strength. So they are a living bridge between India and US. So we call them our ambassadors. So the Consulate General of India is like home away from home for all the Indian diaspora living in the US. We are trying to bring the consulate closer to the diaspora. As you know, we have also started a satellite center in San Jose on the Oakland Street. So we are opening both these centers, one in San Francisco and San Jose, 6 days a week. So this is like Prime Minister Modi's, he wanted to bring all the consular services closer to the people and also to bring more Indian community connected with the motherland and also to take part in India's journey to become a developed country by 2047.
Wonderful, and thank you for having such great events, and thank you for being our representative all the way from India in Silicon Valley, and have a good day.
Thank you, Air India, thank you.
Happy State Formation Day!
ಗೀತ ಬೇಡುತ್ತಲೂ ಮುಂದೆವು ಆರಾಧಿಸುತ್ತ
Yo India.
Tamil Nadu rocks!
యమునా తటాక తుంగ తరంగం హిమకరస్ విహిత రంగ సుపాంగం విదస్తరస్
Happy State Formation Day.
స్టేట్ ఫార్మేషన్ హ్యాపీ ఫిజర్ ఫార్మేషన్ డే ఆల్ ద తెలుగు పీపుల్ అందరికీ తెలుగు వారందరికీ కూడా
Happy State Formation Day.
Happy State Formation Day. Today we are representing Andhra Pradesh, and then we have all our art forms are displayed here. So these are all the Samtara, and this is our classical art form.
जुगे जुगे जब जोड़े में मिसाल सखिया No talking, only picture. Come on, come on.
Hello जी, कैसी हो?
Happy Uttarakhand Formation Day.
Happy Uttarakhand. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And वैसे कल हमारे उसको 25 साल हो गए. Yes. Okay, photo. Real formation day के दिन हम सच में वो बना रहे हैं.
From that orange to here.
गंगा यमुना बहती जिसमें ऊंचा जिसका हिमालय है, नमन है ऐसी मातृभूमि को जहाँ केदार सा शिवालय है। झुमेलो तांबी पर सॉन्ग गाए जाते हैं। हर घर के व्यक्ति को एक से सजाया जाता है। यही तो है मेरा उत्तराखंड जो दुनिया को भर रहा है। ऐसी पावन को मेरा शत शत नमन।
Just
What an energetic performance.